Trading isn't a shortcut to riches, it's a battlefield where most lose. The pros, they follow strict principles, not luck or magic indicators. It's all about psychology, discipline, and understanding the market's reality. These are hard-earned secrets, not textbook tips. Today, I'll reveal the 5 core principles that transformed my trading. No hype, just the real, unfiltered truth. Ready to trade like a pro? Let's count down the 5 secrets that separate winners from losers. Think your strategy is why you're losing? It's your emotions. Fear makes you exit early, greed makes you hold too long. Revenge trading destroys accounts. Pros master emotional control. They don't chase, panic, or get cocky. Create rules and follow them, even when your heart screams otherwise. Trading is psychological warfare. Master your mind, or the market will master you. Every trader faces this battle daily. The market is designed to trigger your fear and greed. Pros build systems to protect themselves from their own worst instincts. Your plan is your anchor. Write down your entry, exit, position size, and stop loss before you trade. Treat it like a pilot's checklist. Follow the rules no matter what. That's how you survive the emotional storm. The best strategy is useless without patience. Pros wait for days or weeks for the right setup, then strike with confidence. Most lose by overtrading and chasing every signal. Patience is discipline. It protects your account. Be a sniper, not a machine gun. One great trade beats 10 bad ones. New traders feel pressure to always be in a trade, but pros know waiting is a decision. Define your perfect setup and promise to only trade that. Not trading is often the most profitable move. Your goal isn't to be busy, it's to be profitable. Visualize your A+ setup and stick to it. Let others waste ammo while you wait for the clean shot. You will lose a lot. But pros don't fear losses, they learn from them. Losing trades are feedback, not failure. Winners adjust, improve, and come back sharper. In trading, losing is a business expense, not a disaster. Even top traders lose often, but their wins are bigger than their losses. Amateurs take losses personally and spiral into revenge trading. Pros see losses as data. Keep a trading journal. Document every trade, emotion, and outcome. Review your losses to spot patterns and weaknesses. Extract the lesson from every loss. That's how you turn setbacks into long-term wins. Risk more than 2% per trade? You're gambling, not trading. Pros manage risk like snipers. Never all in, always protected. Use stop losses. Know your risk and reward before you click buy. The secret is survival. The longer you last, the better your edge. Even the best strategies fail without risk management. Losing streaks happen. Small risk keeps you in the game. Pros risk 1% or less per trade. Non-negotiable. Always know your stop loss and target before entering. Only take trades with at least double the reward to risk. Focus on how little you can lose, not how much you can make. The market isn't random, it leaves clues for those who can see. Watch for liquidity grabs, fair value gaps, and market structure shifts. Institutions move the market and leave footprints. Your job is to spot these tracks, not fight them. Liquidity grabs and fair value gaps aren't accidents, they're engineered. Learn to read price action, not just indicators. Develop a thesis based on the market's narrative. Pros wait for institutional moves, then act. It's a repeatable, logical process. Stop guessing, start reading the clues. These 5 truths underpin all successful trading. It's not about secret indicators, it's about discipline, patience, and reading the market. You need all the principles working together. This is a holistic approach. Evolve as a trader and as a person. Every pro started out lost and losing. The difference? They didn't quit. Start implementing these truths today. Write your rules, journal your trades, focus on survival, master them, and you'll join the 1% who make it. Follow and stay sharp.